First go to the file and choose open. Select this white t-shirt image, press open. Now take the quick selection tool and click on select subject. Press Ctrl J twice to create two duplicate layers of the selection. Hide the top layer. Select the middle layer. Now go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this texture image. Click place. Right click on this image and select the rotate 90 degrees clockwise option. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Right click on this texture layer and choose create a clipping mask. Go to blend modes and choose linear burn. Then expose the top layer. Go to blend modes and choose multiply. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Let's see the final result.